Hello and good evening, sir. My name is Muhammad Ahlam Akram bin Rosmin. My register number is 07DKA19F1090. Today I will present about my mini project report. Introduction. One of the big challenges in human life and modern society, especially in the city, is the management of solid waste or man-made garbage so that the quality of life is preserved and life become more comfortable. Therefore, solid waste management is necessity in order to protect the environment and ensure the sustainability and quality of life of the community. Hazard waste may be found in different physical states such as gas, liquid, or solid. Hazard waste is specially type of waste because it cannot be disposed of by common means like other byproduct of our everyday life. Depending on the physical state of the waste, treatment and solidification process might be required. Significance of report writing. The significance of the report is the make research of issue solid waste and hazard waste in the Thailand and how Thailand manage solid waste and hazard waste. Objective of report writing: study how Thailand manage solid waste and hazard in their country. Okay, for methodology, perform data information search from the internet by searching website from government agency, non-government agency, and article. Solid waste and hazard issues. For solid waste, too much plastic waste. Thailand is an irresponsible consumer of disposable plastic. Thus use 70 billion plastic bags in a year. The country is a major contributor to up 60% of plastic pollution in ocean. Thailand 23 coastal province dump about 1 million tons of garbage into the sea every year. Percent and 5% cigarette. 150 sea turtle, 100 whales and dolphin, and 12 dugongs die each year from dump garbage, half of which die from eat plastic bag. As we can see, 24% is plastic material. Organic waste. Organic waste collected by manufacturing across Thailand is almost 2/3 of the country total waste production. 7.6 million ton use 64% the waste collection is organic waste. It is estimated that most of this waste is not just the peeling of fruit and vegetable, more edible food. This is in a country where from 400,000 to 60,000 children may be malnourished due to poverty. Yet it is divided from all children who are obese. The attitude that occur do not include compositing of sorting trash 60-40. Organic waste. Organic waste collected by manufacturing. Organic waste collected by municipalities across Thailand is almost 2/3 of the country total waste production. 7.6 million tons used and 64% the waste collected is organic waste. It is estimated that most of this waste is not just the peeling of fruit and vegetable, more edible food. There is a country where from 400 to 600,000 children may be malnourished due to poverty. Yet is the divide from all children who are obese. The attitude that occur do not include composting or sorting trash. 64% of tests do not to sort trash according to one study. Hazard waste problem. Thailand collect and process industrial waste of 68 to 161 companies. The capacity to process industrial and toxic waste is 37.6 million tons per year, and its estimate is 2.8 million tons is toxic waste. Total capacity is 25.8 million tons. Besides that, common problem is also illegal dumping of industrial waste action conduct in Thailand. Process waste. Thailand's roadmap on plastic waste management to 2018 to 2030. It is to serve as framework and direction for preventing and managing plastic waste in the country. This Thailand roadmap have 3 phases. So for the first phase is stop using caps, seal, plastic and micro bins. Second phase, stop using foam, food container, plastic straw, plastic bag thicker than 60 micron and plastic cup thicker less than 100 micron. For the third phase is focus mainly on recycling target plastic waste by 100% by the year 2027 to serve circular economy concept. For hazard waste, law enforcement. Waste generator in Thailand should report to authorities the amount and characteristic of hazard waste they produce. In addition, the private sector must be assisted in making the report. At the same time, authorities' office must be properly trained to review submit report. Their skill need to be developed so their enforcement in Thailand has meaning. Next, clean technology should be promote reduce pollution. This is the responsibility of all government agencies and private industry that look after sustainable development. Their efforts should consider to the health, safety and concern of the people they serve. Likewise, the public should be educated about the danger of hazard waste and urgent need environmental compensation. In conclusion, environmental care efforts should be the responsibility of all individual, government and organization. Environmental care is must for a development and safe country. Thailand is also a country that is very concerned about solid waste and hazard waste for the safety of their people.